Cans have opened. Very leafy. Shall see. Right, so just a line on there, and we're going to give this a wee go. Last throw of the season, 29th of October, club water. So we'll see what the salmon or could be Dollaghan. A good run of salmon or Dollaghan this year, so we should see if we can get one. Water's high, fairly clear. There's a good spot here. This is bend. Go. That's a reasonable fish. Dollaghan. Scissor. Beautiful fish. There you go. Execution. this is where the Claddy River comes in, where the main 6 mile. Right off, that's a good spot. Look at a few casts, not too many. Try not to slip. Good fish. Stretch for a little bit. Keep from going. Could be a productive fill. We shall see. Nice with the autumn colours. Give it a quick flick. Fast. Sip. You never know. Nice way to end the season. Rainbow.
So what are Dollaghan? Dollaghan is a Gaelic word meaning running or moving fish, and as this really suggests, they're basically migratory brown trout. Many Irish lochs have their own strains of trout. You think of Loch Melvin, it's got Gillaroo and Sonnecan, and so Dollaghan are the unique brown trout of Loch Ness. Recent genetic studies have shown there's actually at least 4 different strains of Dollaghan, but what they have all in common is that they all run the Loch Ness feeder rivers to spawn. Below the loch gets quite prolific fly hatches, and you can see that on a warm July evening. Literally swarms of fly. The Dollaghan tend to feed on the bottom, so they're bottom feeders, and really they take on quite a pale appearance with quite dark spots. Maybe that's partly to blend in with the background and the loch bottom, or maybe just the lack of sunlight, but they are quite pale. And this sets them quite apart from the river trout. So those are the trout that don't migrate into the loch, they stay in the river. And they got quite often, well, generally they have very red spots and also quite buttery yellow flanks. They're quite distinct. Dollaghan are quite distinct from the river trout. Saying that, some of the fresh, particularly fresh run Dollaghan, can be very silvery. They're almost like sea trout, and in fact they're quite similar in habit also to the sea trout. And if you think about it, in many ways the loch really acts like an inland sea. So the young fish, they migrate down from the rivers to grow, and then they come back to spawn. So angling for them is also quite similar, with most of the fishing done at night, because they're generally quite a shy nocturnal fish. And the tactics are also quite similar, so we'd use a lot of intermediate lines, sink tip lines. One of you fishing deep and quite slow in the pools. And in terms of flies, again, similar sorts of flies. So generally they're quite a strong profile. It's dark fly, sort of silver stoats, executioners, but quite often yes with that silvery or holographic body, quite sort of a baitfish imitation. The feeding in the loch, as I say, it really is prolific. They do grow big, they grow fast. I mean, every year we do get double figure fish. There's at least a couple of 20-pound plus fish the last couple of years. I mean, as you can see, they can be caught during the day, particularly obviously if the river's in spate, as it was in the video. But those tend to be the smaller sort of school fish, schoolies. The bigger fish really are creatures of the night, and that's when they come out to prowl, and that's when we target them. If you think of this year in the 6 Mile, my local river, there was a 17 and a 15 pounder caught. So I mean the fish are still there, and you can see Ethan's lovely fish just shy of 15 pounds. And if you've seen from the video, we do get salmon and Dollaghan. They cohabit the river. They quite often are similar places, similar pools. And then that falls right through into the spawning time. And you can see in this sequence here that they do interact at spawning time. So who knows, perhaps some of these bigger fish are actually hybrids.